2002 Chevy Suburban. Customer states coolant leak. We found it. Coming from right here, you can tell it's really clean, and then the exhaust manifold has signs of coolant leaking on it. So let's go ahead and replace all these plastic connectors for now. They're gonna hold off on this hose. So traditionally you're supposed to use these tools, or there's some special ones. Don't mind my little Crown Royal bag. I don't even drink. It was just a perfect way to start it. But they sell these at the auto parts store. I feel like these don't go far enough. But anyways, these work perfect for the metal lines, I feel like. But once you're dealing with these, the spaces are a little bit tighter, and I feel like, especially like this one, and what works for me, I mean, I don't know what you guys use, is a pick that has a good handle, so you're able to get a good grip and twist it. And all I do is go in there, lift the tab a little bit, put pressure, turn the whole connector or the hose, and then release the other tab. I wish I was able to show you guys. I already did it with this one. And the ones in there are gonna be with this one, because it's probably easier like that. I'm doing it with one hand, so it's kind of hard. But it starts coming out. I wasn't able to show you, but with this one I got lucky, and these tabs actually did their job as I put pressure on them. I thought I was gonna get them with these. These always help out, but believe it or not, I was able to do it with my hand. These two tabs